Last year we brought you the biggest Christmas pop-up bar in all of Loudoun County. The Miracle Pop-Up Bar. Now we're bringing you to its sister property, Tiki Thai Reston, for Sippin Santa.
Happy holidays, everyone.
Virginia is for Grubbers. We would love to introduce you all to Sippin Santa, formerly known as Tiki Thai in Reston, Virginia. Sippin Santa is a tiki-themed Christmas pop-up bar, and it features a range of different cocktails that are tiki and Christmas themed. If you're a fan of candy canes or peppermint, we recommend the White Russian Christmas, which is vodka, cold brew, condensed milk, a little bit of peppermint flavor, and some cinnamon syrup. If you're with a group and you want to try out a large drink, the Mistletoe Two-Toe is going to be your go-to. This cocktail has bourbon, walnut liqueur, and 2 different kinds of rum. It's definitely on the stronger side, so be aware of that. My second favorite drink would have to be the Sippin Santa. It's aged rum, some lemon, orange, and a little bit of ginger flavor in there. My personal favorite, by far, would be the Regifter. The Regifter is made with rum, and it has a pineapple flavor to it. So it's definitely on the sweeter side, but if you do not like sweet drinks, I wouldn't recommend it. However, it was my personal favorite by far. The Regifter, after 1 sip, made me want to take another sip and then 10 more sips and then order 10 more of them. Besides the awesome cocktails that Sippin Santa has, they have amazing decor up and all kinds of Christmas decorations to put you in the Christmas spirit throughout the entire month of December. And just like last year when we introduced you to Miracle Pop-Up Bar at Sensitai, that is still going on as well, right in One Loudoun, Ashburn, Virginia. As always, guys, if you like this content and you want to learn about new and upcoming restaurants around the entire state of Virginia, please give us a like and follow at VA is for Grubbers on Instagram or Virginia is for Grubbers on Facebook or YouTube. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit that subscribe button and we greatly appreciate any likes on the video.